How to track a Walmart groceries order. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can track a Walmart grocery order through the application. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Walmart application and make sure that you're signed in into your account. So once you're signed in, navigate to the bottom right corner, tap on your account. Under your account, you have to head over to your purchase history to search for your orders. Now, under the purchase history, if you have made any order, from there you have to find that specific order that you want to track. Tap on it and then tap on track shipment or track order to see its current status and delivery details. After that, you will get an update such as processing, which shows the order being picked or packed. Also, you will get an option or the updates for shipped or out of delivery, and also the information regarding the delivered updates. So that's the way to track your Walmart grocery through the application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.